Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Cosmos. What are we expecting on Cosmos? If you watched my previous analysis on Cosmos, I said I was expecting Cosmos to push down to 7.34, around the 7.34, and my second target overall will still be for it to at least come down to my negative 27% fib level. So which is around this area right there, right? So that's my thought, and we can see, I think the last time I analyzed, let me zoom in a little bit. The last time I analyzed, we were around this area right here, so I said we might just come here because this zone was broken. There was a breakoff zone right there, so I said we might just come up there to retest that zone, then continue to push to the downside. So as you can see that it's reacted the way we wanted to do. It came to retest the zone retested, then pushed down to at least my first target right here, which is really good. So now I'm going to delete my previous analysis and reanalyze based on the current price action. So now I'm going to readjust this trend line right here. Yes, so that has been readjusted. I'm still seeing that we're going to continue to push to the downside, and my target, let me delete this one and make it a little bit more further. So my target would be surely around this area right here. So now what am I expecting now, right? We can see, if I go to a smaller time frame just to see how it goes, I can draw a quick line right here too. You can always draw a trend line as long as we have 2 points or more. We can always draw a trend line. So, and to me, a trend line just makes it a little bit more easier for us to analyze and easy to work with too. There is a trend line that can come here too, just to show that there was a breakout structure around that area, and there's a possibility for it to continue push down and continue to push around that area and then continue to push to the downside, because overall I'm still thinking Cosmos is pushing to the downside. So now I'm going to put my fib right here. So I'm going to use point A to point B right around this area right here. So now that I've used my fib right around this here right here, just to see what we are looking for. Okay, let's see what we are looking for right now. So right now I'm expecting it to at least push a little bit to the upside, right? I think we might push a little bit to the upside, so I think we might come up to my 78.6% fib level right here to retest that area, because there is an imbalance right there that needs to be filled and hasn't been filled yet. So I'm gonna draw, there's a possibility for us to come here before we now continue to push to the downside as we think we're gonna do, right? So I think we're gonna continue to push up to at least to fill in this imbalance right here, then a possibility to push to the downside. So I can still use this as my target too. Okay, so these are my targets right around this area right here. So let me draw the other scenario from here down to here. So those are my two, let me change the color of that. So those are my two analyses that I think might happen. So I think we're gonna push to the upside a little bit to fill in that imbalance and a possible touch on my 78.6% fib level before we now continue to push to the downside. And when we are going down, this would be my target. So that is just my quick thought on Cosmos, guys. Hope you find this informative. If you do, don't forget to share, comment and like, and I'll definitely see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching.